Mosby is 3 years old right here, full of energy, and apparently this daily vitamin has more features than my actual truck. Check this out. You got chicken, you got bone and joint health, you got heart health, skin and coat, digestion issues, immune issues, and some of the things with that digestion that I noticed is you do have pumpkin over here. This 24-in-1 multivitamin chew for dogs we give to Mosby. Now again, he's 3 years old, he loves it. That's just gonna help him to promote digestive. This guy right here, he likes to eat stuff he shouldn't be eating, so we don't know what he consumes. He's a grass muncher, so we like to give him a little bit of this. And I was looking at the ingredients. Now, if there's ingredients on here that I can't pronounce, I don't feel comfortable giving that to my dog, but I'm just gonna tell you, just reading off the back, I know 90% of these ingredients: flaxseed, pumpkin, whole eggs, krill oil. I know eggshell meal. I know what these ingredients are. And then you got your vitamin A, vitamin B12, a lot of vitamins in here. Oh, and does Mosby love these things? Let's find out. You want one? Okay, sit, down. Yes, good boy. And just like that, he eats them just like treats, but we don't give them to him just like treats. We give him about 3 a day for his size and his health, and he loves them. We try to give him some other vitamins or some other things or pills from the veterinarian, and he does not love them, and he does not eat them as quickly or as fast as he can eat these. So if you want something that the dog's gonna love but is also healthy, these are great treats and healthy as well.